Good morning, Mrs. Smith. Did you sleep well?
Good morning. Yes, thank you very well.
Great to hear. Would you like some breakfast?
Yes, I'm very hungry today.
Wonderful. What is your room number, please?
302.
One moment. Yes, breakfast is included.
Super, thank you. Is it a buffet?
Yes, it is. It's over there next to the big windows.
What do you have?
We have toast, croissants, cereal, cheese, and fruit. Everything is there.
And drinks?
We have coffee, tea, and juice.
Perfect. Can I take 2 croissants?
Of course. Take as much as you like.
Thank you. Do you have yogurt?
Yes, plain and with fruit. It's in the small fridge.
Great. And are there eggs?
Yes, we have boiled eggs and scrambled eggs.
I'll try the scrambled eggs then.
Good choice.
Can I sit where I want?
Yes, all the tables are free.
Then I'll take the table by the window. I like the morning light.
Good idea. The sun is shining today.
Do you have butter?
Yes, right next to the jam and the honey.
Ah, perfect. And if I want more juice?
Just help yourself. The pitcher is over there.
Thank you. What time is breakfast until?
Until 10 a.m. So you still have plenty of time.
Super. This is my first breakfast in the United States.
Then welcome. Do you like it?
Yes, very much. The bread is really delicious.
It's fresh from the bakery this morning.
I can tell.
If you need anything else, just let me know.
Thank you. You're very kind.
Enjoy your meal, Mrs. Smith.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too.
Good afternoon. Can I help you?
Hello, yes, I have a small problem in my room.
Oh, what's wrong?
The air conditioning isn't working.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. What is your room number?
307 on the 3rd floor.
Is it very warm in the room?
Yes, very warm. I can't sleep.
I understand. Did you try turning it off and on again?
Yes, many times, but nothing happens.
Is there a light or a sound?
No, nothing at all. It's completely off.
Okay, I'll call our technician right away.
Can he come today?
Yes, he is already in the hotel.
Great. Thank you.
When did you notice the problem?
Last night. It wasn't working then either.
Okay. Would you like a fan for now?
Oh, yes, that would be great.
No problem. I'll bring one to you right away.
Perfect. Thank you.
The technician will look at it soon.
Can he fix it?
Yes, hopefully. If not, we will give you a new one tomorrow.
And if it can't be fixed?
Then, of course, we will give you another room.
Thank you. That's very nice.
Of course. We want you to be comfortable.
I see that. Should I wait in the room?
Yes, please stay there. We will come soon.
Thanks for your help.
No problem. Have a nice day, even if it's hot.
Thanks. The fan will help. See you soon. Hello, do you work here?
Hello. Yes, I'm with baggage services. Do you have a problem?
Yes, I've lost my suitcase.
Oh, I see. Where did you fly from?
From Rome this morning.
And you just arrived in New York?
Exactly, about an hour ago.
Did you wait at the baggage claim?
Yes, but my suitcase never came.
Do you have your baggage claim ticket?
Yes, here you go.
Thank you. What is your name?
Paul Martin.
Thank you, Mr. Martin. What color is your suitcase?
It's black with a small yellow tag.
Is it big or small?
It's small.
Is there anything on the tag?
Yes, my name and my phone number.
Perfect. I'll check the computer. One moment, please.
Thank you. I hope it's not gone.
Don't worry. Ah, here it is. Your suitcase is still in Rome.
Oh, so what do I do now?
No problem. It will arrive in New York tomorrow.
Are you sure?
Yes, and we will deliver it directly to your hotel.
Great. I'm staying at the Hotel Sun.
Okay, I'll write Hotel Sun.
Do I have to come back to the airport?
No, we will call you when the suitcase is here.
Thank you so much. That's very kind.
You're welcome. Do you need anything for tonight?
Yes, I don't even have a toothbrush.
There's a shop over there on the right with everything you need.
Perfect. Thanks again.
Your suitcase is just taking a one-day vacation in Rome.
Yes, it's luckier than I am.
Have a good evening, Mr. Martin, and a great stay in New York.
Thank you. See you soon, hopefully with my suitcase.